Have you ever faced the challenge of making decisions or providing insights based on large amounts of data? This can be quite a daunting task, especially if the data is difficult to read and understand. Fortunately, you've come to the right place. This course on preparing data for analysis in Microsoft Excel will equip you with the skills you need to work with large blocks of data and make it easier to read and understand. Data analysis is a process that involves defining the purpose of the data, gathering, cleaning, and analysing it to gain insights. Businesses often use data analysis to obtain usable, relevant information that can assist them in making educated business decisions. However, this is usually done with large amounts of data that you need to cleanse, transform, and analyse. You will often have to present this data in charts, tables, and graphs that provide relevant insights. Your data insights will help organisations to lessen the risks associated with making business decisions. Microsoft Excel can assist you in analysing data for your business, and you don't need an IT-related qualification to do this. The Preparing Data for Analysis with the Microsoft Excel course is designed for anybody that's interested in learning about preparing data for analysis within a business context. It also establishes a foundation for anyone striving to have a career in data analytics. Through data analytics in Excel, you will be able to collect, store, and delve deeper into your business's data. You will also learn to harness the power of data using tools for sourcing, gathering, transforming, and analysing data. Now let's go over a brief overview of what you will learn over the next few weeks. To kickstart your learning journey, you'll discover the fundamental and essential Microsoft Excel elements and techniques for creating workbook content. These techniques include entering, formatting, managing, and adding data to worksheets. You'll then learn how to read large blocks of data and review the steps for sorting and filtering data in Excel. Next, you'll discover how to use formulas and functions to perform calculations in Excel. Then you'll learn how to prepare data for analysis using functions. You'll explore functions that are used to clean or standardize text to prepare it for effective analysis. You'll then investigate the use of date and time functions in Excel so that you can complete actions like creating timeline information in a spreadsheet. You'll also review the logical functions like if and ifs, and you'll learn how to use these logical functions to generate content like data columns. In the last module, you'll undertake a final project. In this project, you'll create a worksheet with an executive summary of a business's month-by-month profit margin performance compared to the previous year. This project will help you prepare for the final capstone project at the end of this programme. Finally, you'll have a chance to recap on what you've learned and focus on areas you feel you can improve on. Throughout the course, you will encounter many videos that will gradually guide you toward a solid understanding of preparing data for analysis. Watch, pause, rewind, and rewatch the videos until you are confident in your skills. Then consolidate your knowledge by consulting the course readings and measuring your understanding of key topics by completing the different knowledge checks and quizzes. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped with the necessary skills to work effectively with data in Microsoft Excel. Good luck as you start this exciting learning journey.